Society is out of control, and us good people, we're losing the battle. How do we regain control of a society that is hopelessly fighting to the bottom? Have you tried everything? Are you out of options? Some things are way too lethal for the situation. And that's where I come in, folks. I wanted to build a product in Minnesota that addressed all of the issues that we're having today. And I finally have. It's called the Sonic Boom. And it works. Simply aim the Sonic Boom at any perpetrator, whether it be animal, child, adult, and through our exclusive collection of awful music, it will render them defenseless. They will surrender without a fight.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Hey, get off your phone. Phones aren't allowed here. I said get off your phone. I'm giving you one last chance. Okay, you asked for it.
Did it again. I made you believe when more.
Let's talk it all this stuff about.
Stop in the name of the law.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flag, gonna drown 'em out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
Nicole's novel.
Yes, I am.
Were you CFO of the Sonic Boom Incorporation?
Yes, I was for a while.
So what did you do with that company?
Oh, well, as CFO, I was responsible for all of the books, the finances for the corporation. I oversaw the finances for each of the locations. Now, wait a second. Pritchard Roman isn't seeing this, is he?
I'm sorry, Pritchard Whirlman has been dead for quite a while now.
What? Oh, I'm sorry. This interview's over. No.
Ma'am.
Hey, are you Garrett?
Yeah, I'm Garrett Christopher Stinger.
Didn't you used to work for Sonic Boom?
Yeah, I was the manager there.
What were your job responsibilities?
I just supervised people doing whatever, and I fixed anything that went wrong. Wait, will Pritchard Roman see this?
Madison Meck, recently a secretary for Sonic Boom Incorporations.
Well, I was.
So what did you do with that company?
I filed papers and dealt with clients. Wait, is Pritchard Whirlman gonna see this?
Pritchard Whirlman has been dead for quite some time now. Ma'am.